Today, let's learn how to add a custom address field on checkout fields. Within the Checkout Fields editor, locate the section where you'd like to add a custom field. Use the interface to drag and drop existing fields into your preferred order. After adding the text field, enter a custom label to display on the front end. Then, click the Save button to apply the changes. This ensures the field is added to the checkout form. Next, in the Address Formatting option, add the field you have created to the default billing address fields, and then edit the address formatting section according to your need by placing the field element id in the required position. Once copying the field ID to the address format section, click on the Save button to save the changes you have made. Add a product to the cart and proceed to checkout. Locate the address field you just created. Enter a test address to ensure the field accepts input correctly and appears as expected. Then place the order and check the order received page for your entered custom address appretted in the default billing address. Now it's time for you to check out. Thank you and have a nice day.